Hello guys, Thunder here, and in this video I'm gonna show you the proper way to get Valorant fast and easy within one day. So the first thing you wanna do is to create a Riot Games account. If you have a League of Legends account, you can use that as well, it will work just fine. Okay, so next you will need to go to the site of Valorant. You have the link in the description, go to this site and follow the steps that are listed here. The following steps are to link your Twitch account to Riot Games. And how do you do that? Well, it's very simple. Just go to twitch.tv, press on a profile icon and then press settings. Then go to connections, scroll down and you will see that you can connect your Riot Games account with Twitch. So this is the number one tip that you need to implement. There are 2 or 3 tips actually that I want to share with you. First tip, go ahead and watch smaller streams. What do I mean by that? You don't need to watch like a stream with 80,000 views or 70,000 views, because there are 70,000 people waiting or viewing that for a drop. So that's why you want to find like a very small stream with like at least you can find one with 100 viewers. It's okay. I got one by watching a dude with literally 20 viewers, so check that in mind. You also need to have drops enabled so you can see if the guy is going to do real drops or just fake ones. So the next step is going to be a pretty easy one and a pretty nice one. So I want to tell you, if you go and be active in your chat, it's gonna be better for you, because the higher chances are gonna be you're going to be chosen. What do I mean by this? If you type in chat, don't spam, by the way, don't spam in chat, just talk to people. It's very easy. Just go ahead, talk to people, they will talk to you eventually and you both are gonna get a key. Okay, so the next tip and the last tip I want to tell you is to leave it overnight. You can just go and leave it overnight, the stream open. It needs to be of course a 24/7 stream so you can get the drops faster. I personally got the drop in 5 hours, so it's a very good choice. And yeah, that wraps up today's video. Just leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.